come on now, shift. Bang shifting. I'm driving Engine Joe, my 1959 Ford F100. It's got a Ford-O-Matic transmission, and it's shifting late. Bang shifting. So we're going to work on it. There's a trick I can try that'll maybe make it shift a little bit smoother. Completely different from the old incandescent. Wow, that looks nice. Leave that in the video. The previous owner said he had done some work on the transmission, he had done work on the engine, replaced the seals. He said he liked the bang shift, that when he rebuilt the transmission that he designed it that way. Well, that's a little too rough for me. So I'm going to try a really easy fix. You try the easy thing first, right? So here, down where the transmission is, there, you can see the control rod coming up. This is the shift control rod. Comes up to the throttle control, linkage, and the carburetor. Here, there's a U-bracket that attaches the two, and it is adjustable. Now, the adjustments are very precise, very, very fine. You adjust it one way and the shift is much harder. It's and at a different RPM. You shift it the other way and the shift is much softer, and you can even get mushy. And you know, again, at a different RPM. I think it's adjusted to the point where it's giving me this slam, this real hard shift. So let's go ahead and get to it. I've got to loosen up this nut right here and get that guy off. That's a 7/16 wrench. Get this pin out. Oops. Just fell down in there. Okay, so this does spin on that thread. Let's go ahead and go back. Mine's slam shifting really good, so I'm going to go back. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then put it all back together and see how it works. Okay, that's back on there. Just got to remember to tighten down that retaining nut. Got it. Okay, let's go for a test drive. Okay, now here we are on that same stretch of road, and we'll see how it shifts. Oh, that was smooth. I don't even, could you hear that? Oh, that was a smooth shift. Okay, I think I just about nailed it. Now, what you can do is just do small adjustments, half a turn at a time, and you'll be able to dial it in right where you want it. Better for the transmission, and it's a smoother ride. So I hope you like this video. There's another episode on Engine Joe. I've got lots more of those, and on Kermit the Ford, my 1968 Ford. So please subscribe. Hey, do some likes on the video and any comments that you might have. Thanks for watching.